For strictly regulated educational institutions, safe AI use starts with one central policy that is checked on the server with every AI request. In this video, you will see how an administrator defines availability and baseline rules, sets limits, activates a closed education context, and then applies additional restrictions for a school, group, or student. The route starts at environment level. Here, the administrator determines whether AI is available and which baseline rules apply to all students. This central policy is checked on the server with every AI request. Next, under Limits, the administrator sets boundaries for the number of previous context messages, the amount of context and output, the number of interactions, and the duration of a session. When limits are configured at multiple levels, the lowest positive limit always applies. This keeps usage predictable when students work independently. For a stricter baseline profile, the administrator activates the closed education context. This blocks speech, internet and image search, image and document generation, code generation and execution, connectors, and assistance with bypassing restrictions. Uploads, file management, and assistance also disappear from the student interface. From this central baseline, policy works hierarchically across environment, school, group, and student. A teacher can add restrictions for a group or student, such as blocking AI entirely, enforcing closed mode, or disabling internet, images, code, and connectors. A block at a higher level can never be relaxed at a lower level. The closed education context also uses a default instruction that is added server-side to every request. It provides the fixed baseline and cannot be replaced by the student. Alongside the default instruction, the institution can add its own supplementary instruction, for example about language use, safety agreements, or the role of the supervisor. Instructions from the environment, school, and group are combined without allowing the student to replace them. In closed mode, completed messages remain unchanged. Regenerating creates a linked new response with an audit label. The result is one centrally controlled baseline. Availability and limits are defined at environment level. The closed education context blocks the specified capabilities, and lower levels can add restrictions without relaxing higher-level blocks. Server-side instructions and audit labels on regenerated responses combine central oversight, demonstrable traceability, and targeted customization for educational practice. Want to review this again? Check the guide for the steps and settings covered in this video.